Hey guys, so I got some items from Joanne Fabrics. It's actually the first time I ever got anything from Joanne Fabrics. I had this discount of, I think it was like additional 25% off plus $1.99 shipping, and I was looking for some low effort Halloween accessories so I could still be in the spirit. But let me show you what I got. So I got this really cute jack-o'-lantern headband. It actually lights up. Just push this button over here and voila. I think it's pretty cute. It was only like I think $2.99 I think with the coupon. It's not turning off, but I accidentally actually got two of them. Do you guys ever do that? Like accidentally hit two for quantity? So I now have two of them because I was not very careful. And then I also got this cute like little light up necklace, like candy corn light up necklace. But anyways, some cute stuff at Joanne Fabrics, and they actually emailed me another coupon. So maybe I'll start, and I think they have some holiday stuff already. So maybe I'll look around and see if there's any like holiday or additional Christmas slash Halloween accessories I want to buy. But anyways, pretty cute. I'll probably do like a look with these and like make it into a transition. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, bye.